Meaning of Harold Macmillan.
Harold Macmillan.
Harold Macmillan.
Harold Macmillan.
Harold Macmillan. Harold Macmillan was a British Conservative politician who served as Prime Minister from 1957 to 1963. He is known for his influential role in shaping post-war Britain, including overseeing the decolonization of Africa and the Caribbean, as well as promoting economic growth through a policy of free trade and deregulation. Macmillan was also known for his efforts to improve relations with the Soviet Union during the Cold War. Overall, he is remembered as a significant figure in 20th-century British politics and a key player in shaping Britain's position on the world stage.